Hello students, today we draw a AutoCAD drawing for beginners. This is a simple drawing. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is an ellipse, major axis length 120 millimeter, minor axis length 80 millimeter. At intersection point, two circles 530 diameter circle, 560 diameter circle. Two holes diameter 510 millimeter. This is a hole, this is a hole. Center distance between two holes 100 millimeter. Now we draw the figure. Okay, for draw any drawing in AutoCAD, first we type limit command. We select area, we type limit command, LIMITS, limits command, enter. Specify lower left corner, just enter. Specify upper right corner. We give a A4 size page landscape, that means 297, 210, enter. Next, type zoom command. For zoom command, type Z, enter. Next, ALL, all, enter. Next, we type units command, UNITS, units command. Drawing unit dialog box appears. Length type. Here for millimeter drawing we select decimal. Okay, now we draw x-axis and y-axis. Click on ortho mode and click on OSAP on. Now for line command, type L for line. Specify first point, specify next point, a arbitrary line, enter. Again type L for line command, specify first point, specify next point, enter. Now at intersection point we draw two circles. First, draw a circle 30 millimeter dia. For circle command, type C, enter. Specify center point for circle. This is the intersection point. Next, specify radius of the circle or within third bracket option diameter, type D for diameter. Specify diameter of circle 30. Enter. Now again type C and enter for circle command. Specify center point. This is the intersection point. Specify radius of circle or diameter. Type D for diameter. Specify diameter of circle 60. Enter. Now we draw the ellipse. Major axis 120 millimeter and minor axis 80 millimeter. Center of ellipse, this intersection point. For draw ellipse, type EL shortcut command. Enter. Specify axis endpoint of ellipse or within bracket arc and center. For center, type C. Enter. Specify center of ellipse. This is the center of ellipse. Specify endpoint of ellipse axis. This is x-axis. X-axis length 120, half 60. From this point, distance is at the rate of 60, 0. Enter. Now specify distance. Total distance of minor axis is 80. So specify distance to other axis means from x-axis distance. X-axis distance 80 by 2, 40. Type 40. Enter. Okay. Now ortho on OSAP off. Click on this horizontal line, then stretch this. Again click on horizontal line and stretch this. Again click on vertical line and stretch this. Click on vertical line, stretch this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now two circles 10 millimeter dia, center distance 100. From y-axis this is 50. From y-axis in this direction 50. We draw parallel line. For parallel line, offset command shortcut O. Enter. Specify offset distance, type 50. Enter. Select object to offset. Select object to offset. Specify point on side to offset. Again select object to offset. Specify point on side to offset. Enter. Again click on this line stretch this, again click on this line, stretch this, click on this line, stretch this. Now draw two circles of dia 10 mm for circle type C. Enter. Specify center point for circle. OSAP on. Center point, this is the center point. Type D for diameter 10. Enter. Again right click, repeat command, repeat circle, specify center point, specify radius or diameter for diameter type D, specify diameter of the circle 10. Now we almost complete the drawing. Now we put the dimension. For linear dimension, we type dim linear, DIMLINEAR. Enter. Linear dimension, dim linear. Enter. Linear dimension means horizontal and vertical dimension. Specify first extension line. Next, specify second extension line. Specify dimension line location. Again, right click, repeat dim linear dimension. Next, specify first extension line origin, specify second extension line origin, specify dimension line location. Now for diameter dimension, type dim diameter, DIM, dim, DIAMETER, dim diameter. Enter. Select arc or circle, select circle, specify dimension line location. Okay. Now again right click, repeat dim diameter, select, then specify dimension line location. This is the dimension line location. Now we mention this is two holes, 5 10 mm dia. For leader line, type leader, LEADER, leader. Enter. Select this circle, shift right click, near, select nearest, select this circle, ortho of, click next point, next enter, again enter, again enter. Now type 2 HOLE holes, 5 means diameter, 5 10. Next, close text editor. We complete this. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is center line. For center line, line type LT. For line type, click on load, select center line, select center line, OK. Here global scale factor, we change global scale factor as per necessary. Click OK. Now in second bilayer, this is center line. Draw a line type L. This is the ortho-on. This is the line. If this is suitable, then click on match property, select source object, select destination object, select destination object, enter, erase this line. Now we complete the drawing. It is clear, my student. Thank you.